Well, the nights are getting cool and the days are getting shorter, and one of the things we love to do is go fall camping. And I've been working my butt off getting this ready to go hit the road. Got a couple more projects to do, but before I get on to one of the new projects, let me show you a important but simple project I did on the inside. Let's hop to it. So up at the front of my trailer here, where the dinette is, you see I'm still working in here, I've done a modification that for some people, like myself, is going to be pretty important. And basically, you can see I've already done some changes on this, but let me show you why. And it starts off with, obviously, these little pop-ups. Well, ours doesn't have a bathroom in it. What we do have is a porta potty. All right. Now, before everybody starts poo-pooing on porta potties, yeah, okay. Sorry about that. They're not that bad. Basically, would I want to use them regularly? Not really. But again, we go camping to KOAs, we go camping to Good Sam's and stuff. And this is more for emergencies, or when you get to be my age, nature calls at night a lot. So rather than having to run back and forth and go to use the bathhouse, I can still come out here and I still got a facility to use. But you probably can't tell by looking, this is sitting pretty high off the ground if I just set it here. And obviously this is a place to set it. Oh, I did want to mention, if you notice, I don't have any cushions here. And that's because my cushions, the high quality pleather that they use on it is all cracked. So my daughter, who happens to be a very talented seamstress, has graciously volunteered to recover them. So right now the cushions are over at her house. So that's why I don't have cushions on here right now. But if I measure this from the floor up, I'm looking at a height of about 27 inches. That would be a little bit of a jump up. In fact, I don't think Mrs. Hoptuit could use it comfortably in an emergency if she had to. So just sitting here like this doesn't really work out. So what I did was a little bit of a modification to the base here. This was one solid panel, and the hinges that you see over here, one here, one over there, they were spread out. One was here and one was here, and this opened up as one panel. You see the original finger hole here, okay? So what I did was I split this panel down at 17 inches, and I moved over, took the little insert here and I put it over here, and I made a compartment. Now this compartment goes to the door outside, and I can put stuff in here that I can access either inside or outside. And on this side here, I'll just get this out of the way, you can see I built a little wall in there. And that wall, I just used some beadboard just to separate things up. I had some scrap beadboard. If you haven't noticed the theme in my videos, I like to reuse a lot of materials I have. I've got a garage and a shed full of old stuff, old wood and wire and metal pieces and stuff. And if I can utilize them, why not? So I put in a wall here, separated up into two compartments now. And this compartment is for storage. I put things like brooms in, I can stick flashlights or whatever. Anything I want to get from the outside I can put in there too. Haven't really decided exactly what I'm going to put in there. And then down here I've got the area that's going to be for the porta potty. And as you can see, I have, let me see if I can get in on that a little bit. I have built a little platform. Let me fish that out. So this is just out of scrap 1/2-inch plywood that I had. And I made the sides 5.5 inches up. Made the platform. This is like, let's see. This is 12.5 by about 15.5, little top platform, and I just put a little piece of molding on the back to act as a little catch so that the porta potty doesn't slip off. I glued it and stapled it in, put little triangles in the corners so it doesn't fall over. So this will store. I can put it in there kind of sideways like this. The porta potty fits in here for storage. There's enough room back there for toilet paper. So to use this, I just set this here up against the edge. I take my porta potty, set it up on top, and now I've got a little bit of a more usable. I'm sitting about 18 inches off the floor, so just makes a nice little area. Again, in an emergency, wake up, it's raining outside, pouring. I have to use the facilities. I don't want to have to run to the bathhouse. I can just run down or run over here and use this. If you want to, you can hang a shower curtain over here or something. You can even take this little top and just kind of put it over there if you want a little bit of a privacy shield for you. And hopefully this will work out fine for us while we're on the road. If you have any comments or questions about it, please let me know. As always, love to have you like and subscribe. Always nice to have new people joining the channel, giving me new ideas and things that I can do too. So until next time, take it easy.